Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. The next problem of SQL is for each day display the total amount of admissions on that day. Display the amount changed from the previous date. So we will select first the admission date. Then we will count the number of admission occurs on that day. As number of admission. Okay. Now for calculating the difference, we will count the number of admissions that occurs on that day. Then we will subtract the number of admission that occurs at the previous day. So we will use lag function here, lag of count of admission date. Okay, and we will order this admission date so that our count will be calculated accurately over order by admission date. By default, order by text ascending order, so it suits our conditions. As difference we will use. Okay, we are extracting this information from admission table, so calling the table, and we have to group the data because we have aggregate function with the admission date, so we will use group by with the admission date. Now we'll execute this query. Yeah, good, we have solved the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel, and also share this video among your colleagues and friends so that they can also get benefit from this channel. Thank you.